Greetings. If you are a sales professional, then you likely have a sales quota, which is not only a goal, but an expectation. And if you expect to achieve your goal, then you should have a plan. Because a goal without a plan is just a wish. A sales plan is a formal statement of business goals, reasons attainable, and plans for reaching them. A sales plan is just like a business plan. It starts with your target market, in sales's case, your territory. Then it covers your sales message, which is the value you are offering your market. Then it identifies who you need to share your message with, in order to generate business. We call that the power base. As in all things in life worth having, you will likely have to fight for it, so it should identify who you have to beat in order to win new business. And finally, it should include a sales pipeline funnel that shows the viability of your plan and the probability of success, including a sales forecast. The most important indicator of sales success is the pipeline. CRM stages vary greatly, but all can be summarized into these basic categories. You have to feed the top, advance the middle, and close the bottom.